Hey guys, if you've been hearing about Skool and wondering what it actually is, this video breaks it down, what the platform does, how it works, and how you can build your own community on it. So Skool is a all-in-one community and course platform designed for creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs. Now think of it as a mix between a Facebook group, a course platform, and a membership hub, all in one clean, distraction-free interface. Inside Skool, you get three main sections, which is community. This is where your members interact, post, comment, and share. It feels like a private social feed, but with zero ads or algorithm issues. Then we have classroom. Here's where you host your lessons, video courses, or training material. You can log sessions behind levels or memberships to keep engagement high. And then we have calendar, perfect for group calls, coaching sessions, or events. It keeps everything organized so your members never miss what's next. And then to build your own community, of course, we need to sign into your account. So you can just use sign up for free and let us create an account. Okay, and now here's our profile. Let's add a bio. I'm just going to say test. All right, if you wish, you can add a bio and also upload your profile picture. And now, as you can see, this is your starting point to building your own community. And after this, if you want to start, just press on create your own. You just give it a name, upload a logo, and write a short description. Create a community, you try for free, and insert group name test. It needs a free trial, whatever. Then you set your access type, for example, public, private, or paid membership. Add a few categories in the community tab to organize posts. Upload a course module in the classroom section. You can drip lessons or give full access from day one. Finally, set up your calendar for live sessions or group calls. And that's it. When ready, invite members using the unique Skool link. They can join instantly and start engaging. So that's a quick overview of what Skool is and how to start your own community. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the description that we have for more Skool tutorials and tools to grow your online business.